Hello, everyone. It's Emily Bermudez, a digital business owner and a mentor. I hope you're all doing great tonight. I wanted to hop on for a few minutes and talk about something what scared me before starting my digital business. So, if you've ever felt scared about starting something new, this live is for you. To be honest, before I started my digital business, I had so many fears running through my head. I was scared of failing. I was scared of what people would say. I was scared that I didn't know enough and that I have no experience. I was scared that I wasn't ready. And honestly, I was scared to risk, to invest. I kept asking myself things like, what if this doesn't work? What if people judge me? What if I'm not good enough? And the crazy things was none of those fears were real. They were just stories I kept telling myself. I prayed a lot, asking God to give me answers to my prayers. And there came a moment when I realized something powerful. If I don't try, nothing changes. I asked myself, Emily, do you want to be in the exact place next year? Or you want something more? And the truth hit me hard. Of course, I wanted something more. I wanted freedom. I wanted growth. I wanted to challenge myself. I wanted to build something that actually belonged to me. So instead of asking, what if I fail? I started asking, what if this works? That little mindset shift changed everything. Sorry. So how did I push through the fear? Let me share the three things that really helped me. I allowed myself to start messy, telling myself that I don't need to know everything, just begin. I focused on my why, kept reminding myself why I was starting to learn, to grow, to create opportunities, to change my story. I surrounded myself with the right people. Community matters. Being around people who believe in me helped me kept going. Their success inspired me instead of intimidating me. So I made a decision, not a perfect decision, not a fully confident decision, just a decision. I said, Emily, you deserve to bet on yourself. And that's what taking the leap really is. It's not being fearless. It's about moving even when I'm scared. So before I hop off, I want to leave you with this. Have trust in yourself. You are not alone. Have trust in your ability to grow. Have trust in your future. Fear is normal. Fear doesn't mean stop. So if you've been thinking about stepping into the digital business world, like many of us did, this decision can change your life, your family's future, and the freedom you experience every single day. Imagine having more time with the people you love, having flexibility to manage your own schedule, being able to work from anywhere. Imagine finally being the boss of your own life. And the best part, you don't have to do it alone. We have a platform, we have an automated system working behind the scenes. We have a supportive community that guides us through every step. There is absolutely nothing to fear. All you need is the courage to take the leap and make the right decision for yourself. Because if you don't try, nothing will ever change. So if you are ready, go ahead and register for free on my website. You can see here. And I'm excited to help you in this journey. So thank you once again for joining. If this resonates to you, drop a comment, send me a message, or share your own experience. I appreciate you all so much. So see you tomorrow to our Go Live challenges. Bye.